Every day a woman gets attacked running or walking for fitness. Defender can help equalize that challenge. Not only do you have the power of the punch of this water bottle, you have attachments. That's right. So you can zap them and help neutralize the problem long enough for you to get away. And if you have to take it to the next level, even the bottle is designed, the attachments are designed with these ridges to rip into the skin. And you can go for whatever you need to get that attacker up off you so you stay safe and you can get to safety. There's other attachments coming: alarm, mace, flashlight with strobe, collapsible dog bowl, retractable leash, carrier for miscellaneous items. You name it, a lot of things are coming. But this is just giving you an idea of what Defender is all about. And it is the Swiss Army knife of water bottles, and it can help keep you safe and hydrated while you're out for a run.